Hi, welcome. It's another Thursday that we pass together, and today we start to prepare the saltimbocca. Saltimbocca is a jump in your mouth, okay? And for these recipes we need beef, very thin slice of beef. We need cheese, this is a sweet provola, and we need fresh prosciutto, sage, pepper and salt. Okay, we start to prepare our saltimbocca. You take very open the meat and you start to add some pepper, no more, salt. You take a piece of sage and you put inside of the saltimbocca. 1 leaf of cheese, 1 leaf of prosciutto, and you start to close. Cover. Okay, now with the toothpick, you stop the meat for don't exit the cheese and the prosciutto. You have a little pocket and you take it one side. We prepare another. Salt, pepper, a piece of sage, cheese, leaf of prosciutto. It's very simple and is easy to make because you prepare in a few minutes. Close it the same of the other. Another toothpick, 1 toothpick, and stop the meat. Another. Salt, red pepper, sage, cheese, and the prosciutto. Toothpick.
Chiedono se è maiale.
No, it's beef. This is beef, veal or ground beef. But if you like, you can use the pig meat. But habitually we use this. Oops, cheese. Another leaf. And the prosciutto. Don't add much salt because the prosciutto have just the salt, and if you add more, remain very strong the taste. Okay, and your saltimbocca are ready. But now we start to cooking the saltimbocca. For cooking the saltimbocca we need butter, and you put in the pan We have just the ingredient for make the saltimbocca. Now I prepare only 5 saltimbocca, and but the recipes that we have is for 8 saltimbocca. Start the fire. If you want, you can add or 1 clove of garlic, give the taste to the butter, or if you want, you can use the powder of garlic, the dry garlic. But no more, only for give it the taste. Add the sage inside. And we wait that melt the butter. Got the milk. Okay, while we wait that the butter melt and give the taste to the garlic and the sage, take slow the fire because burn the butter. We start to pass the meat, the saltimbocca in the flour. It's very important that you cover with the flour, but you take out the excess of flour. Okay? Only this. This flour, when start to cooking with the butter, give made a cream, and if you want, because the cheese melted that stay inside, and after, if you want much cream, you add half a glass of milk. Now I show you when we prepare. Another. The smell is very good. It's ready. Okay, now we can start to add in the pan our saltimbocca. And return on the fire. I wash my hand. Okay, now we wait that the meat cooking in one side. When it's cooking in one part, you turn in the other side and finish to cooking. But it's very important that don't cook more the meat, because if you cook more, remain stronger, and it's very good when it remain very soft. It's very thin and cooking for with a few minutes. Okay, watch the color. We turn all meat. And we wait that finish to cooking in the other side. Watch the cheese just start to melt, and we wait that it finish for add the milk. Is one recipe that you can prepare with 5 minutes, and is very good. When you eat this, you cannot change. Okay, we can start to add the milk inside to make a cream. And you move the meat. If you like the wine in the meat, you can add also white wine, but so is very light. Okay. Now we wait that the milk absorbed and mix with the cheese that exit from the saltimbocca. Okay, our cream is ready. Turn the other side. Okay, and our recipe is finished. The cream. And your saltimbocca are ready. Few minutes and you have a good dinner. Do you want to try? Watch when you cut. With the cream. Are very good. I hope that you like these recipes and I wait for the next week for another recipes in my house and my kitchen. Bye!